Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what EOS is doing today. So looking at the excuse me, looking at the daily chart as always. I haven't changed the fibs. I mean, we're still from the swing February, the second week of February to March 13th low. So we're kind of in this channel. It looks a lot similar to Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV, which those pairs are useless right now. You got a lot more potential and a lot of other pairs than those two. So we're very similar story with this. Now everything is rallying RSI, it looks bullish. So this looks okay for now. I mean, what we're gonna see is at the 38% retracement, so about the $3 mark to 296 mark, we're gonna encounter a lot of resistance because if we just look closely, that is our 200-day moving average, which is finally lining up with that fib. So we're going to encounter a lot of resistance there. That being said, if we move the fibs we leave it from the March 13 low, but we go all the way back to like June 31st of 2019, right after the 200-day moving average, the $3.11 mark, we have a 23% retracement fib. Now the fib will be very important because it's a 23% retracement. I always like to look at this fibs at if we were in a downtrend and we break higher and then the 23% retracement, that means that the trend more likely shifted. So, or vice versa. So that's just something to keep in mind. By the way, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button because that's the only way the channel is going to reach out to 7 billion people and we're going to help everyone in the world. The whole idea is to create a community. That way we can stop needing help from the crooks, the bankers. So that being said, just don't forget to hit that subscribe button and pulverize that like button. And if you guys get anything useful out of the channel, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money in the crypto market. So just keep that in mind, guys. So it looks like between the $3 mark and the 311 mark, we're going to encounter some resistance. So quite a bit of resistance. But if we can go higher and retrace back to 311, so the 23% retracement, and this will look pretty good because as it sits, let's just draw the fibs from the February high. So yeah, that line's so good with the 200-day moving average. So the $3 to 311 mark, I would wait until we break that and hold. I wouldn't do anything until then, because here's the thing, if we were to go long right now, stop loss below the previous low, and even know that right now, if you were to go long, even know that your risk to reward is 3 to 1, 3.1 to 1, I still wouldn't do it. Even though that I'm a fanatic, as soon as we go past 3, I'll do it. And the reason being is, if we didn't have this 200-day moving average, then there'll be no problem. And if we wouldn't have the fib that goes all the way back, right? Yeah, that's the one from May 2019 to February 13, low of 2020. If we wouldn't have this fib right here at the $3.11, 312, and we wouldn't have the 200-day moving average coming at about $3, and then I would totally do it. But since we have those two things coming up due, and this are pretty important fib, and that's a pretty important line, then I'd rather play a little bit on the safe side. Sometimes the best trade is the one that you don't do anything. And then, yeah, you might miss out, you might leave some money on the table, but you know what? As long as you don't lose your ammo, that's all we care about. Because it is essential. Just remember, if you lose all your ammo, then it's over. It's over. Because unlike the Fed, you don't have unlimited amount of money. So just keep that in mind, guys. Also, we're trying to narrow down how often we're going to post the videos. So just leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see them. That way we can post them as often as we can, because in our private chat we're posting every day, setting up new setups daily. So keep that in mind, guys. And by the way, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. And like I said, right now there's not much to do. I would wait until we break the 312 mark and then retest the 23% retracement before doing anything, even though right now risk to reward checks out. So that being said, guys, thanks again.